Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. I hope you're all doing well and I hope all of your investment goals are going to plan. Now in today's episode I am doing another unboxing from the one and the only Tavex Bullion. I've got a really special order here that I'm really excited to show you guys, and I think it will be quite popular when it comes to you guys actually seeing these pieces. I know they're a bit of a big topic right now, and those pieces are the Coronation bullion coins for King Charles. Now, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Now, thank you again to Tavex for sending me these pieces as always. If you want to buy something from Tavex, you can do so, and you can use my discount code, Future Investments. It's currently only on selected items of gold bullion, no silver at the moment, but we are hoping that there will be more added to the list in the future. But if you have any issues with that, let me know in the comment section below. So let's have a look. Here we go. Another fantastic order from Tavex Bullion. Lovely. So here it says you have to choose between trusting to the natural stability of gold and the natural stability of the honesty and intelligence of the members of the government. And with due respect for these gentlemen, I advise you, as long as the capitalist system lasts, to vote for gold. George Bernard Shaw. I'm not sure who that chap is, but a very wise quote. We've read that before actually in one of Tavex unboxings. And here we go. Dear Future Investments, thank you for your purchase. Classy from Tavex as always. So here we go. There should be a 1 ounce gold bullion piece in here and a 1 ounce silver piece. Wow, look at that. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. Let's see if we can get it closer to the camera. Look at that. You can see the size difference, can't you? Look at that. Amazing. Holy moly. I didn't realise the 1 ounce was going to be so much bigger than the 1 ounce silver piece would be so much bigger than the gold piece. All right, well, let's start off with the 1 ounce silver piece and have a look at that. Let's move that over here. Wow. That is really nice. I've got to be honest with you. That is lovely. So this is the 2023 Coronation of King Charles bullion coin. Of course, this is capital gains tax exempt, and it features the crest of... Actually, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know. On the front. I'm sure someone like the Stat Collector will be able to inform me on that in the comment section below. But we turn it over and we've got King Charles. Now, I know there was a bit of debate. I was seeing it in the comment sections on some of the videos and other YouTubers' videos about whether they were going to put a crown on King Charles's bullion. Because initially they did some releases without the crown, and I always assumed that they would. Because, I mean, how could they not? Once he had his coronation, he would be King of England. And, you know, he would be crowned with a crown, essentially. So I'm glad they did go ahead and create pieces with his crown on. And I've got to tell you, it looks a lot better with a crown on. Here you've got Queen Elizabeth. And, yeah, I think they both look fantastic. Both quite different. Different crowns, different people. But yeah, I really like the King Charles one with the crown. I prefer it much more than the non-crown version. I do own a few 1 ounce silver bullion coins of King Charles without the crown, and I kind of wish I waited a little bit and got ones with his crown on. But who knows, maybe in the future they'll be desired, because I don't think there's going to be many of those, because it was a very brief period where those coins were released and then he had his coronation. So I think these are going to be around a lot longer, so potentially making the uncrowned King Charles pieces more rare. But yeah, overall, a very nice coin. If you're looking to buy this from Tavex Bullion, it's going to set you back around £25. So in my opinion, a very good price, actually. This is a really popular piece that I think is going to have a lot of value throughout time, not only for its value because of the weight of silver and the industrial use of silver, but I think this piece is going to be desired because I don't think King Charles is going to be reigning for a particularly long time. He's already an older chap, so these could see maybe a slightly higher premium in the future, who knows. But yeah, very, very stunning piece. I don't know, silver always looks so good in minted bullion, doesn't it? But a great investment, a really good investment. Now let's move on to the one that you all really want to see, and that's the 1 ounce Coronation gold coin here. really, really nice. It's a lot smaller than I expected. Again, it's got King Charles on the reverse. If you're looking to buy this coin, again, it's going to be capital gains tax exempt, and there's going to be no VAT on this purchase because all gold bullion in the United Kingdom is exempt from VAT, which is a really great bonus, unlike the 20% VAT you have to pay on silver bullion. Now, if you want to buy this one from Tavex Bullion, you're going to be looking at around £1,638. And I don't think that's too bad, to be honest with you. I've bought some 1 ounce gold bullion coins from the Royal Mint in the past, not that long ago, a few months ago, and they were pretty much on the nose of £1,700 for those. Now, the ones I bought were in the blister card packs, you know, that they come in those assay cards. I did that so it helps with the authenticity, and it just shows that it's a really genuine piece from the Royal Mint, and I thought it would be easier to store in terms of not losing it because it's in a big card. But overall, still really cool to have it just in a capsule. I know a lot of people actually prefer just having the capsules, and I can totally understand why. Let's get this piece out very carefully and have a look. Wow, absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. It's hard to show it on camera because there's so much reflection from the gold. But this piece would be a 24 karat gold bullion coin, 4 nines, and it would be pretty much the purest gold you can get. Being capital gains tax exempt, it's also a fantastic bonus. So no matter what happens with the threshold of capital gains tax, you're never going to have to worry about paying tax on this wonderful piece. And if you're like most precious metal stackers holding for the long term, you know, 10 to 20 plus years, I think you could potentially see some really great increases in the value of this, not only because gold, in my experience and my opinion, is going to keep increasing over that time. I think these Coronation pieces will fetch a nice premium on them. They're a very, very beautiful design. You know, King Charles is a new king. I really do see these as a super investment. If I wasn't saving for my other investment for my portfolio right now, I would definitely have to add some of these to the stack. As a lot of you know, I really only normally focus on Britannias. It's just what I like. It's my go-to. I love the security features. I love the capital gains tax benefits on Britannias. But having these new Coronation pieces come out, the fact that they're capital gains tax exempt, they're a British minted coin from the Royal Mint. It's essentially got the same royalty, the same family as a Britannia. It wouldn't bother me having these or Britannias. I would quite happily have either of these mixed up in my investment stack because they both carry the benefits of capital gains tax exempt, and you know, I think they're good investments nonetheless. So yeah, overall, a good investment. It's difficult to say on hindsight if people would rather have these or the Queen coins. I like both. I think the Queen bullion coins are always going to be slightly more popular. She was the longest reigning monarch of British history. She showed and created an extremely stable United Kingdom. So it's going to be hard to beat for that. And obviously she's passed away now. So I think those minted pieces of Her Majesty the Queen are going to dwindle because they're going to be new sovereigns and kings. And, you know, you've got King Charles and everything fades out with time. So be interesting to see the difference between the two values. But I'm still going to be stacking both because I think the past and the present are good investments when it comes to these pieces. But overall, I really, really like them. I think it's great that Tavex are getting these in and selling them for cheaper prices than some other bullion dealers out there. You're free to do your own research and buy from whoever you like. But at the end of the day, precious metal stackers and investors, we always want the best prices when buying our bullion. And I don't think you can really go wrong when it comes to buying from Tavex Bullion. As always, if you want to use my discount code on selected gold items from Tavex, you can do so by using the discount code Future Investments. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to help you with that. Thank you very much for watching as always. Thank you to Tavex for sending me these wonderful pieces. Unfortunately, I have got to send them back, but you never know, maybe one day they'll let me keep one. But yeah, overall, really, really cool. And yeah, I think they're a good investment. Thanks for watching as always. Big shout out to the channel members. You can find their links in the description of this video below. Until next time, I'll see all of you future investors in the very next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. To watch another episode on future investments, click the link now.